welcome to Technical Trading Learned On. Now let's start a trading. I thought to make the um, concept of trend lines, and I will going to start it from my next video. In this video, I will going to play some random trades. Hope you will enjoy it, and I will going to explain each and every trade. You will like it, I think. Okay. Let's change the pair. Okay, let us trade in this currency pair. Let us mark the resistance now. Here there is some resistance point. Again here. Okay. Okay. I took here a put option. This is my first trade. Okay, this is my first trade. I took here a put option. Okay, so let's enter. Okay, I took here a call option. This is my second trade. I will explain why did I took here a call option, but let me complete my trades. Okay, this is my second trade. I took here a call option, and this is my first trade. I will explain each and every trade. Okay, you don't need to worry. Let me complete my trades. We have 15 seconds more. Okay, I will take a put option here. And I hope it is better to change the currency pair for next trade. This is my third trade in this candle. I traded this red and this green and now this. Still we have 10 seconds more. Okay, the buyers enter very strongly. We may lose this trade. Okay, here again I took here put option. Actually we lost this. I don't know why. The buyers entered suddenly, but I thought it would be a winning trade actually. No problem. It will happen. Okay, it will happen. Losses are common. Here again, buyers are entered. Okay, we won this. We won this. Uh, okay, bias entered. Actually, I thought to took a call option, but I didn't get a chance. The bias entered already. So it is better to go with other currency pairs. Okay, you can see here the buyers entered the market. Actually, I thought to take a call option there, but I didn't get a chance because the fast momentum. Mm, now, let me check whether it is valid or not for me to trade. Okay, it's an uptrend. I will going to take my trade after this candle. Okay, after this candle, I'm going to take my trade. If this is a if this is a green candle, it is better to trade, or otherwise I will going to change my currency pair. Let me check some other currency pairs for some time before I mean after you know we don't need to waste our time because we have many currency pairs here. Okay, it's very it's very hard to trade in this type of candlesticks pairs. Okay, I mean sorry, in these type of markets it is better to change the currency pairs if you find that. Okay. Again, it's a you can find here a consolidation market. So that's what I said that if it is a green candle, we could easily go with a bias, right, like that. Okay, the next candle may become a green candle. Okay, the next candle may become a green candle, but it is better to switch the trade. Okay, see the bias entered again. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll trade in this candle. Sorry, in this currency pair. I hope. Okay, this will be my last. This will be my. mm, this will be my last trade, guys. I will going to place my trade now. Okay, here I took a put option, but it may jump, gap up. Let's see what will happen. I hope it will be a red candle. Okay, now let me explain my trades now. This was my first trade. Okay, this is my first trade. Here there was a level, actually I observed the level here, and the sellers become a weak, so we can expect the buyers become a weak in this candle. We can expect the sellers to enter in the market. So I took here a call option, sorry, put option. Okay, in this red candle I took a put option, but I took here a green option, green because here there is a level. Here there is a level, you can see, and after this candle, in this candle I found some rejection from buyers. Okay, we won the last trade also. I found the rejection from buyers. We can expect the retracement candle after it's a evening start, and it need to become a red candle, but it formed a consolidation market, so we lost this. And the very next candle I traded these four candles. We won this and we lost this because of some unpredicted movement, and we won this again because of the weak buyers. Okay, this is a weak bias. Okay, you need to check the candlestick sizes. Okay, you need to check the size of the candlesticks. Okay, I took here a put option because of the this is a retracement candle, so I took here a put option, but don't know at last 3 seconds. In the last 3 seconds, the bias entered very strongly, and it became a green candle. I thought that it would be a red candle, and it may continue the market. So this is a I took here a put option because um, this candle, if you observe this candle, we can find the weakness of buyers. The buyers are not enough strength to move the market in upward direction, so we can expect the sellers to enter the market again. So I took here a put option, and I changed the currency pair. If you observe here, in this candle, after this red candle, after this candle, immediately after this candle, I thought to took here call option, but because of the fast momentum, I didn't able to took here a call option. So if I took here, as I told, I think if you watch this video completely, you would know that, as I told previously, this will be a green candle. This become a green candle. It would be a it would be a profit for me, but I, because of the fast momentum, I didn't took. And this is my final trade. This is my final trade. Actually, if you observe, the market is downtrend, and here at this point the buyers entered because there are some buyers at this level, but the actual level is here. Okay, the actual level is here. If you observe here, okay, see here, the actual level is this. The actual level is this. We can expect the market to reach at least to this level. Okay, it is we can expect the market to reach at least this level. So we I took here a put option, and we can take this as a retracement candle. Okay, we won all the I made a 5 trades, but unfortunately we lost this. So totally, I took this trade, we won. I took this trade, we won. I took this trade because of some, because of unpredicted buyer's entry. We lost this, and I took this trade. Continuous 4 trades, we won this. It actually, we need to won this also, this trade also, but unfortunately we didn't win. And this also we won this. Totally, I took here of 5 trades, and I lost this. Let me trade once again. This will be my 6th trade. I will make it. Here there is a level. Okay, the buyers are strong if you observe here. So we can go for call option for next. Okay, took here a call option. I think I become too early. Actually, place here. It is better if I place here. Okay, we have still 20 seconds more. Okay, this will be my last trade. Okay, I don't like it to be it to be a losing trade, so I took here one more trade. Okay, in 6 trades I lost only one trade because of my because of some unfortunate thing happened at last 3-4 seconds. Okay, so I lost this trade. Otherwise I would win all 6 trades. Okay, so we won all, so we won 5 trades out of 6. This one, this one, and we lost this one, and this one again here, and one more trade in USD. Okay, this one. So we won totally 5 trades out of 6, and I explained why did I took. Here I found some, wait, here it's a new line, right? Okay, I found some, here I found the strength of the buyers, so I took here a call option. Okay, it and this is all about the trades. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Okay, you can share with your friends. Okay, I will going to explain each and everything, and from my next video I'm going to start a new series. Okay, new series on how to trade with the trend lines. Okay, thank you.